Hello everyone, I am Gunjan Mishra. Today I will discuss the topic natural language processing. First I will discuss what is natural language. In this diagram, some people are speaking English, some people are speaking Hindi, some are speaking Japanese and other are speaking Spanish. So the definition of natural language is the language which is spoken by the human beings. Now we know that computers do not know the language of the human beings. So the computers have their own languages just like the HTML, .NET, CSS, PHP, SQL and many more to understand the human language. Now what is natural language processing? Natural language processing consists of two words. One is the natural language and other is the processing. Natural language is the language which is spoken by the human beings and processing is the method by which we are applying some algorithm and technique to convert the natural language into the machine understanding form. There are some example of natural language processing just like the Alexa. Alexa is a device which is used to understand the human language. Just if we are asking some question to the Alexa, it will reply the answer in the same form of human language. Now NLP is the multidisciplinary field. In this diagram, there are two circles. One circle represents the computer science and the other circle represents the linguistics. Computer science, in which we are using algorithm, we are using some technique to convert the natural language processing into the machine understanding form. Linguistics is the knowledge and understanding of the languages. Broad classification of natural language processing. Natural language processing is the combination of natural language understanding and natural language generation. Natural language processing is classified into two categories. One is the NLU and other is the NLG. In the NLU, we have to study about the phonology, morphology, pragmatics, syntax, semantics, and in natural language generation, we have to study about the natural language text. In the next slide, I will discuss all these topics. Now, spoken dialogue system architecture. Now I am giving one real-time example that how the spoken language is converted into the machine understanding form. I am using my mobile phone for the Google Assistant services and I am showing a real time that how the machine reply the human language and how it is easily understand the language. So now I am using my mobile phone. What is natural language processing?
Here's a summary from Wikipedia. Natural language processing is a subfield of linguistics, computer science, information engineering, and artificial intelligence concerned with the interactions between computers and human languages.
So this is the example of the Google Assistant service that how it understand the language of the human beings and also it converted some machine understanding form so that it can reply the same manner in the form of the input. In this diagram, there is a user input and for the natural language processing, there is a natural language understanding in which the dialogue management system is created. Dialogue management is the process of deciding which dialogue state to present to the user. After that, it will go to the natural language generation. In the natural language generation, it will generate the language into the form of the just user input. After that, it will send the system respond. Now, natural language understanding. Natural language understanding is a subset of natural language processing that uses computer software to interpret text and any type of unstructured data. Unstructured data means voice and some other forms of data. Phonology helps to deal with patterns present in the sound and speeches related to the sound as a physical entity. Morphology deals with the structure of the words and the systematic relation between them. Syntax, this science deals with the structure of the sentences. Semantics deal with the literal meaning of the words, phrases as well as sentences. Pragmatics, it is a study of speaker meaning. That means what are the we are giving from the input, it will convert it into same form of the output. Now, natural language generation. Natural language generation is a subset of natural language processing and is the art of generating text from structured data using artificial intelligence. It is defined as the process of taking structured data and turning it into text. The example of the natural language generation are the summarization of the paragraph and Google Assistant service. These are the example of the natural language generation. The steps in natural language processing. There are following steps in natural language processing. One is the lexical analysis, syntactic analysis, semantic analysis, disclosure integration, and pragmatic analysis. All of these steps I will describe in the next slide. Now, the lexical analysis. We have to analyze the structure of words. The collection of words and phrases in a language is a lexicon of a language. Syntactic analysis is also known as the parsing. We use parsing for the analysis of the word, although have to arrange word in a particular manner that shows the relationship between words. The sentence such as the school goes to boy is rejected by the English syntactic analyzer. So some of the sentences are that they are not correct in the formation of the words, and also it has no sense of meaning. So these types of sentences are rejected by the syntactic analysis. Semantic analysis, it describes a dictionary meaning which is meaningful. In the task domain mapping syntactic structures and objects, the semantic analyzer disregards sentences such as hot ice cream. In this example, I have given the hot ice cream because we know that ice cream is not hot. So this sentence is not possible. So in the semantic analysis, we are using some types of dictionary analysis to match the word with the dictionary so that it can get the meaningful information other than the disregard sentences. Disclosure integration. In this step, the meaning of any sentence depends upon the meaning of the previous sentence. In addition, also brings the meaning to immediately succeeding sentence. So there are so many sentences that depends on the previous sentences on the preceding sentences. So discourse integration is used to get from the preceding sentence as well as the previous sentence to make a meaningful information that make the sentence. Pragmatic analysis. In this step, data is interpreted on what it actually means, although we have to derive aspects of language which require real world knowledge. Now, if we ask question to a computer like what is the next train to Delhi after 9 p.m., what genes are associated with diabetes, what are people liking about our new product, how much time I have before my next meeting. So there are lots of questions. If we are asking to the computers do not understand these types of sentences because computers understand only their own languages. So we have to convert these language into the computer's language so that computers can easily understand what are the formation of the sentence and what are the meaning of the sentence in the form of the computer system. Why is natural language computing hard? This is the very important point that natural language is very hard to understand. I will describe it into the next slide. So in this slide, there are two sentences. One sentence is he approached many banks for the loan, and in other sentence, Delhi is situated on the banks of Yamuna river. So in both the sentences, there are one words banks, which is common for the both the sentences. uh, One bank's meaning financial institution, and the one bank's meaning sloping down to a river. So the sentence, in this sentence, the words are the same but the meaning are different. So this is very difficult problem for the natural language processing, that how they access this type of dual meaning words. So we are using some types of algorithms to convert these types of sentences into the meaningful information, that it can easily analyze these types of words, those have dual meaning. So how do we build logic to do NLP? So this is the question, that which type of logic we have to build, that it can easily analyze the sentence, so that the meaningful information we will get. It's very hard for us human to build the rules. Means we are coding some programming languages to understand these types of sentences. Hence we commonly use machine learning to build the rules for natural language processing. Now, what is machine learning? Just like the human beings are learning from their experiences. Just this logic is also used for the machine learning technique. Machine learning is also using some algorithm to learn from the experiences, and through it there is a training data, and in training data we train the input. After we get the some tested data, and if we are getting some input data, we are just testing the data, and according, if we get the data as we have tested the data, then the output will be matched. So this is the process of the machine learning. Machine learning allows computers to build logic. So machine learning playing a big role for the natural language processing. Instead of writing code, we feed the data to the generic algorithm. Now I am giving one example of the Gmail service. As we know that in the Gmail, there is a service that Gmail is automatically detect the spam message, and if someone send the message with the content of spam, we have not to find out the spam message. Gmail has the service that it will automatically send the spam message into the spam folder. So this spam not spam finding out is used by the machine learning process, because we have to train our machine for understanding the structure of the spam messages. How these things will be possible? First, the emails are sending to the generic machine learning algorithm, through which we train the data by the several email messages. After that, using the machine learning algorithm, we can easily find out that if we are getting some new emails, it is either spam or it is not spam. Application of natural language processing. There are so many applications of natural language processing, which I will describe into the next slide. Digital assistants. In our home, we are using Google Home and Amazon Echo, Alexa for the entertainment process. So just I am giving the example of the Alexa, that if we want to ask Alexa that what is the time now, it will reply this is the time. And if we also giving some task like Alexa switch off the light, then Alexa switch off the light. So Alexa is a device which is understand the human language. After understanding the language, it generate the language into some machine understanding forms, so that it also reply the input data into the same manner. Now the Grammarly, we are using the Grammarly in a very broad way in our mobile phone, also in the laptop and computer. So Grammarly has a service in which if we writing any sentence and there is a grammatical mistake, it will automatically recommend the what is the right words for that sentence. So Grammarly is the very popular app for the natural language processing that access the uh, sentence into the right words. Google search is also the very good example of the natural language processing, because once we are typing any words for searching into the Google search bar, then it will automatically suggest the next word that is related to the words which we are typing. So Google search bar is also a good application of natural language processing. We all are using the Google Translator. In the Google Translator, there is a service that it will automatically convert the one language into the other language. Just if we want to convert the English language into the Spanish language, so first we have to write the English language into the Google Translator. After that, it will if we have given the option for the English to Spanish converter, then it will automatically translate the English language into the Spanish language, because we have using some algorithm of the natural language processing that can easily understand the formation of the English that will be converted into the Spanish language. Now, future of natural language processing. Human level or human readable natural language processing is an AI complete problem. It is equivalent to solving the central artificial intelligence problem and making computers as intelligent as people. Make computers as they can solve problems like humans and think like humans, as well as perform activities that humans can't perform, and making it more efficient than human. So in the future, we are making natural language processing in this way that at the same time, one language is automatically converted into the several language for the voice assistant service, and the voice of some person is also copied to the machine, that it can also talk to the person into the same voice assistance.